Welcome to SKB Diary. This video captures the sheer challenge of cutting down a tree, a task that's far from easy. It's not just any tree, but a massive one deep in the forest, and the only tool in hand is a chainsaw. The process isn't merely physical, it's a test of endurance and skill. Each time the chainsaw roars to life, it's as though the person operating it is putting everything on the line, facing a formidable task that demands focus and bravery. In the video, you'll witness the intense process of felling a tree that's not ordinary. It's a giant among trees with deep roots that grip the earth tightly. Bringing down such a massive structure takes not only power but also precision. The size and age of this tree make the task even more daunting. Cutting down a tree like this is no small feat. It's an encounter with nature's raw strength. The chainsaw slices through, but every inch feels like a battle, a struggle to bring down something that has stood tall for many decades. This video shows the balance between man and machine, working in unison to take down a forest giant. The Komatsu XT445L3 feller buncher is a powerful machine designed for hard forestry operations. Imagine cutting through solid lumber with ease, thanks to its robust cutting head and powerful hydraulic system. With better stability and precision, even on difficult slopes, this equipment transforms the most difficult tasks into smooth, controlled processes. Whether you're felling massive trees or crossing rocky terrain, the XT445L3 does the task with power and precision, giving you the confidence to face any forest. The Tigercat 870H harvester revolutionizes efficiency in heavy-duty forestry operations. Imagine floating through dense woodlands as its strong harvester head cuts through timber with exact accuracy. Its innovative hydraulic mechanism and durable design enable you to work efficiently even on rough terrain. The 870H makes lengthy days in the forest faster and more productive, transforming hard work into seamless performance. This machine does more than just harvest, it sets new standards for power and control. The John Deere 2154G swing machine is a versatile forestry workhorse designed to withstand the most demanding logging operations. Imagine felling, processing, and loading timber in a single action, all while its powerful swing mechanism keeps you agile and productive. Whether you're on steep mountains or dense woodlands, the 2154G provides unparalleled stability and strength. This machine converts difficult processes into a simplified, productive flow, allowing you to work faster, smoother, and more effectively. The Ponsse Ergo 8 watts harvester is designed to deliver high performance in even the most demanding conditions. Consider negotiating tough terrain with ease, as its 8-wheel drive gives unrivaled stability and traction. The Ergo 8 watts' strong harvester head and cutting-edge control technologies ensure that every cut is rapid and precise. Whether you're clear cutting or thinning, this machine provides exceptional efficiency and comfort, ensuring that the work is done correctly every time. The Komatsu 951 harvester is an ideal machine for large-scale forestry operations. Imagine blasting through dense forests with ease as its huge harvester head slices through timber like butter. Its innovative hydraulic system and ergonomic cabin make long shifts more comfortable, while yet providing unrivaled power and precision. Whether you're working in confined spaces or harsh conditions, the Komatsu 951 offers optimum efficiency with minimal effort. This is more than simply a harvester, it is your ally in conquering the forest. The Elog 580 harvester is designed to be agile and strong, making it ideal for a variety of forestry tasks. Consider negotiating narrow, difficult areas with ease, as its adaptable design and powerful cutting head make any job seem simple. The 580's superior traction and stability technologies keep you productive even on the most difficult terrain. This machine does more than just cut trees, it also delivers efficiency, power, and control with each cut. Thanks for watching.